After years of planning, problem solving, and precision, Oculus is no longer a project. It's an experience.
The first moment that brought me a sense of satisfaction was when we were working on the scaffold. The video panels started going in, and we had the content management programmer from Smart Monkeys out here, and he started pushing live content to the wall itself. And being on the scaffold surrounded by the content was a pretty magical moment. Seeing people walk under it with their phones, taking selfies with it, seeing people enjoy it from that perspective really makes it all worth it.
So Oculus was a concept that was part of a greenfield construction project, this new international central processor. The scope of Oculus was taken out of the construction project and given to us, the technology group, for Houston airports. The very first question I asked when we inherited this scope of the director at the time was, are we going to show any advertising on this? And he said, absolutely not. It is 100% meant to be an element that shares the sense of place for the city of Houston. So for our international arrivals, this is your first experience of Houston. And then when you leave, it's the last thing you see of Houston.
Because the Oculus is on the land side or the public side of the airport, it's really open to the public. You don't need a ticket, you don't need to go through security. Anybody at any time can just see and experience the beauty that is the Oculus. I'm excited to be able to take my family and friends there whenever I want, and I plan on doing that. I want them to see and experience this really cool thing that we've built, and also new potential customers for what they want to do in the future. We can bring those people into this space and they can see and experience it firsthand.
So I do want to give a huge thanks to everybody that made this possible on the Job Center team. Without the installation technicians, the job site superintendent, the JSQA team, and the engineering team that we have, we could not have pulled this off. Every single person was instrumental in making this happen.
I was asked a question recently, what surprised you about Oculus, or what are you going to remember most about Oculus? Seeing the creativity and the collaboration between everybody that had a part in building this to overcome challenges was just incredible.
Because the Oculus experience is on the public land side of the airport, we really want and encourage everybody in Houston, throughout all of Houston, or people that are visiting from other places. We want and hope and expect that people will go and see and experience this for themselves.